your girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So for today I will be putting on this lip scrub and this oil that I have right here. Okay, so this is Lucid Honey Cosmetics lip oil and scrub. This scrub is called the Pink Cookie Scrub, and this oil is called Strawberry Kiwi Lip Oil. So the scrub is good for exfoliating your lips and getting rid of dead skin, and then after you use the scrub, go in with the lip oil and your lips will soak up all of those natural oils. Very good for your lips. Right. Both of these products will be in the description box. That's what it look like. Oh my gosh, it smells like cookies. It smells so much like cookies. Now I'm going to wipe this off and show y'all the oil. Put on the oil. So I just wiped it off. My lips are very soft right now. So soft. So now I'm gonna go in with this oil. This smells good too. Very moisturizing. You can really smell the strawberry kiwi. It smells really good.